Hello everyone, and welcome to our sleep lecture channel. Tonight I invite you to leave the day's worries behind and journey with me to a place of deep tranquility, the Enchanted Lake. Imagine yourself standing at the edge of a serene body of water, nestled deep within an ancient, untouched forest. The air here is cool and crisp, carrying the gentle scent of pine needles and damp earth. As you take a slow, deep breath in, feel the pure, clean air filling your lungs, and as you exhale, let go of any tension you might be holding on to. The sun has just set, painting the sky in soft hues of lavender and rose. The colors are reflected perfectly on the lake's surface, which is as smooth and still as a sheet of dark glass. There is no wind here, only a profound stillness that calms your mind and soothes your spirit. The only sounds are the gentle lapping of water against the shore and the distant, soft hoot of an owl. This is your sanctuary, a place where you can completely let go and find rest. Let's begin by finding a comfortable position. Lie down on your back, allowing your arms and legs to rest naturally at your sides. Close your eyes gently. There's no need to force them shut. Just let your eyelids feel heavy and relaxed. Take another deep breath, inhaling slowly through your nose for a count of 4, holding it for a moment, and then exhaling slowly through your mouth for a count of 6. Feel your body sinking deeper into your bed with each breath, becoming heavier and more relaxed. Now bring your awareness back to the Enchanted Lake. You notice a small wooden dock extending out over the water. You walk along it, your bare feet feeling the smooth, worn wood beneath them. At the end of the dock, a small, comfortable rowboat is waiting just for you, tethered loosely to a post. It rocks ever so gently, an invitation to drift away. You step into the boat, feeling its steady, reassuring presence beneath you. As you settle in, you untie the rope, and with a gentle push, you begin to glide silently away from the shore. The boat moves on its own, guided by a magical, unseen current. You don't need to row or steer, you can simply lie back and relax. The bottom of the boat is lined with soft, warm blankets and plush cushions, creating a perfect cocoon for you to rest in. You lie down, gazing up at the twilight sky. The first stars are beginning to appear, twinkling like tiny diamonds scattered across a velvet cloth. A sliver of a crescent moon hangs low in the sky, casting a gentle, silvery light upon the water. As you drift towards the center of the lake, you feel a profound sense of peace and security. You are completely safe here, held by the gentle embrace of the water and the quiet of the forest. The gentle rocking of the boat is incredibly soothing, a rhythmic motion that lulls you deeper and deeper into a state of relaxation. With each gentle sway, another layer of stress melts away from your body and mind. Your thoughts begin to slow down, becoming as soft and distant as the clouds drifting lazily overhead. Let's bring our attention to the body now, starting with your feet. Imagine the cool, calming energy of the lake's water gently washing over your toes, your ankles, and your calves. Feel all the tension from standing and walking today simply dissolving away into the water. The muscles in your legs become loose, heavy, and completely at ease. This wave of relaxation moves upward into your thighs and your hips, releasing any tightness you may be holding there. Your entire lower body feels wonderfully heavy and deeply relaxed. Now allow this soothing sensation to travel up into your torso. Feel your abdomen soften and your chest open. With each breath, you draw in more peace and tranquility, and with each exhale, you release any remaining worries or anxieties. Your back, which has supported you all day, can now completely let go, sinking into the soft cushions of the boat. Every vertebra relaxes, and the muscles along your spine release and lengthen. The wave of relaxation continues to flow into your shoulders, a common place where we hold stress. Feel them drop away from your ears, becoming loose and light. This feeling of release travels down your arms, through your elbows, into your wrists, and all the way to the tips of your fingers. Your hands, which have worked so hard, can now rest, soft and open in your lap. Finally, this gentle, calming energy reaches your neck and your head. Feel the muscles in your neck soften, allowing your head to feel comfortably heavy. Relax your jaw, letting your teeth part slightly. Smooth out your forehead and relax the tiny muscles around your eyes. Your entire face becomes soft and serene. Your entire body, from the tips of your toes to the top of your head, is now in a state of complete and total relaxation. As you continue to drift on the enchanted lake, you notice that the water around you has begun to shimmer with a soft, bioluminescent glow. Tiny, magical particles of light dance just beneath the surface, creating swirling patterns of gentle blue and green. It's like a galaxy of stars floating in the water below you. The sight is mesmerizing, captivating your attention, and drawing you further away from the waking world. These lights are pure healing energy, and their glow infuses your entire being with a sense of calm and well-being. The air grows a little cooler now as night fully descends. You pull a soft woolen blanket up over you. It's incredibly warm and comforting, like a gentle hug. The weight of the blanket provides a sense of grounding and security, making you feel even safer and more protected. You are cocooned in warmth, drifting peacefully under a blanket of stars. Your mind is quiet now. Any thoughts that arise simply float by like clouds in the night sky, without attachment or judgment. You are an observer, detached and at peace. You are aware of the gentle rocking of the boat, the soft starlight, the shimmering water, but these sensations only serve to deepen your state of rest. You are on the threshold of sleep, a peaceful transition from wakefulness to the world of dreams. The enchanted lake has worked its magic. It has washed away the stress of the day, quieted your mind, and relaxed your body. It has prepared you for a night of deep, restorative sleep. A sleep that will heal your body, refresh your mind, and rejuvenate your spirit. As you continue to drift, feel yourself letting go completely. There is nothing you need to do, nowhere you need to be, except right here, in this moment of perfect peace. Allow the gentle rhythm of the boat to carry you into a deep and restful slumber. Know that you can return to this enchanted lake anytime you need to find peace and relaxation. It will always be here for you, a sanctuary within your own mind. Now it is time to sleep. Surrender to the gentle pull of slumber. Let the magic of the lake guide you into sweet dreams. Good night. Sleep well.